Strong linear winds, possibly exceeding 100 km per hour, struck Turin. Widespread damage and localized flooding were reported.
Si è rotto un albero, Dio. Guardate che disastro. Hanno rotto un albero.
After a long heat wave, severe weather has hit Piedmont and the Turin region unevenly. Wind gusts of up to 100 km per hour were reported in several areas. The situation was particularly severe in the Chivasso and Canavese regions, including the municipality of Montanaro, where roads were flooded with rainwater. Strong winds and hail were reported in Borgo Revel, causing widespread flooding and damage. The Italian Environmental Protection Agency, ARPA, has issued a yellow warning for thunderstorms. A series of severe thunderstorms has arrived in Piedmont. Although the city center was largely spared the worst of the weather, the storm severely affected the Po Valley, the Chivasso and Novara regions, and several areas of the province. Heavy, intense, and very heavy rain has hit the metropolitan area and neighboring provinces of Alessandria, Cuneo, and Vercelli. Firefighters, civil protection, and ANS personnel are on hand to handle emergencies and restore traffic flow.
Madonna.
A local meteorologist said, following the first impacts of this Atlantic disturbance last night in Upper Piedmont north of Lake Maggiore. The most intense phenomenon will develop along the slopes of the Po River, then in the Chivasso area, up to Casal Monferrato, past Turin. The storm abruptly halted the abnormally warm weather of the previous few days, causing maximum temperatures to drop by 10 degrees Celsius. For Wednesday, June 3, 2026, the weather has improved significantly. A mostly sunny day with sparse clouds is expected, with maximum temperatures reaching 28 degrees to 29 degrees Celsius.